So there's this new I tried trend, so I'm gonna just hop on the bandwagon and do a video myself. So I chose to do one of Colette's tutorials from My Simple Little Pleasures. I'm gonna do her black and neon marble, and the manicure is kind of thick and wet, like you're gonna be working with wet polish. So let's see how this goes. And I have her video on my phone already, and she used Oont Peel Off Base Coat, but you'll see at the end of this video a cringeworthy nail update on why I won't be using this anytime soon. And I already have on my base coat, and I'm using Pure Ice Bottom Line Base Coat. She's using the brand Finger Paints, and she's using neon colors, but I'm going to also turn this video into a St. Patrick's Day design, and so I'm going to use Wet n Wild Black Cream, Color Secrets Mad Money, Kiss Gel Dressy, and NYX, but this polish doesn't have a name to it, but this number right here is NGP 162.
Obviously don't mind getting nail polish all over, and pick a color that you want amount of polish between.
So what she's doing first
so I'm gonna try and get
is
a good amount of black here.
she's putting black on a yogurt lid.
I'm going to lay out a little bit of each color.
Pause it real quick. Laying out black on a yogurt lid, and then drag the rest of the colors through this blob right here. And by the way, I did watch her video before starting. That should be big enough.
Just kind of paint in a stripe. I like to do a little dab at the end just to get any black that's transferred off before I stick the brush.
And drag the colors through. Drag this through right there, and kind of run the brush on your yogurt lid to get any black off of your brush before putting it back in the bottle. Why am I closing that? And then this color on the other side.
Brush back in the bottle, and then once I get use my orange stick to draw some chevrons back and forth in between here, create some kind of stripes in the polish.
But I'm gonna go for some swirls. That's actually kind of cute. That would make a cute decal.
And that's what we're going to be going for with our brush. A little too much for my pinky. Might even be too much for my ring finger, but we'll see how this goes. I'm going to take this brush and scoop this up. Because I think this is a little too much for my pinky. Might even be too much for my ring finger, but we'll see how this goes. I'm going to take this brush and scoop this up, and then on my nail I'm just going to apply it and draw it out with some little.
And that's why I say this this design is gonna be a little messy working with thick polish, and I thought about using a base color, but she didn't use a base color, so I'm trying to do it the way she did it, even though I'm using like different colors than she's using, but that's okay. You can pull it around to kind of pull the polish in some empty spots you might have. Have an orange stick ready because you are going to get some on your skin. My first little spot dried up, so I'm going to make another one. And in the video, in the tutorial, she's actually not really getting it on her skin, and I'm not sure how she's doing it. Like, mine is just gonna be a little messy. So scoop this up, and I probably shouldn't mix old polish with new polish because this that was on my finger, on my nail, is probably dry already, but I'll just not make that mistake with the next nail. Need some more green right here. This one is not as messy as I did on my pinky. I could use the rest of this, but while I'm making another palette on my yogurt lid, it's going to dry on my nail, so I'll just do another one, but make it smaller. That way I can use it all on one nail and not have any leftovers onto my middle finger. I think I'm getting the hang of not getting this on my skin. And there we go. 3 nails so far. So I'm going to do the rest of my nails and then I'll be right back.
Me from hurting anyone in any way.
Shame. Definitely was your turn to get it in the neck. Who could hurt such a pretty face?
Mm-hmm.
Finally!
Who could hurt such a pretty face? The finished design, and I think this looks pretty good. It doesn't look exactly like Colette's, but I still think this looks pretty good. If you want to see my inspiration, then Colette's video will be down in the description box, and while you're over there, please subscribe to her channel because she has a lot of great videos and tutorials, and she is my inspiration for my channel, so that's why I chose her to do this challenge or trend or whatever you want to call it. That's why I chose her to do this video. So yeah, if you want to see her video, it's in the description. But before you go, please be sure to subscribe to my channel for some upcoming spring and St. Patrick's Day designs. And also, I said it earlier that I have a nail update at the end of this video, so stay tuned if you want to see that nail update. For a quick naked nails update, You probably can't see it very good, but they're not really in good shape. In my last video, which was the Valentine Kisses video, I mentioned that I've been using the Vite peel off base coat, and I've been looking for ways that I can use it without, you know, it peeling off the very next day, and, you know, trying to make this last to still peel but not on the very next day. And so I kind of figured it out that using a regular base coat and then the Vite peel off base coat would work for regular polish. And so this past week I didn't record a video, I didn't post a video because I was testing that theory with gel polish, and the peel was cringeworthy. I was I was cringing so hard. Like, it peeled up layers of my nails. Yeah, that's why I say you probably can't see it. I'll include some pictures so that you can get a closer look. My theory of using a regular base coat with the Vite peel off base coat with a gel polish manicure, you don't want to do that. You really don't want to do that, because it peeled up layers of my nail. It got my left index finger the worst. I peeled off the manicure on my left hand, but my right hand, I couldn't do it. I just soaked it off on my right hand, because this theory does not work with a gel polish. And I'm thinking it's because gel manicures last longer than a regular polish. I guess because it's a little more adhesive to the nail. So it's like you don't want to stick something that strong to your nail and then try to peel it off. Like, save yourself. Don't do that. But that's my update. My nails have little chunks of them missing off. So that's my naked nails update. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want me to record it the next time I test out my peel off base coat. Let me know if you want me to record and post it so that you can see what I'm doing and what I'm testing out. So let me know that down in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching.